3025, trying to get a, what year is this car?
2006.
2006 Honda Accord 4-cylinder.
LX 2.4.
2.4. It's a knock sensor, so coming out was easy, but coming in is not. So the knock sensor looks like this. This is the original one. And there's some numbers here. 78, 83R. It has like a emblem. And so the one that's coming in, where is the part that came in? Oh, perfect. So import direct is an O'Reilly's brand. So the part coming in is 170819, and then it's 30530 PPL A01 sensor. So knock sensor, we have a check engine light code, and then we bought this specific socket set, 1/2-inch drive, 27 millimeter, and it's a power.
From O'Reilly's.
Power, what is it?
PowerPoint, I think.
How much is this thing?
It was, I think it was $10 or something.
$10.
Yeah.
Power something. Oh, power torque. And so add a little bit of few of the 3/8, but ultimately we needed a tube that looked like this, and I don't have a ruler to measure for you, but actually I do, but I'm lazy to get it. And so once you put this tube in, then it'll fit like right in with the sensor. Just like that. It fits like perfectly perfect. Anyways, it'll fit in there, and then you need a piece that's how long? Where is that tool that we use? I think it's on top of the car. So you need a tube that's this long, and it's basically an extension so you can thread it in. Once I got in there, I went backwards a little bit, then I went forward just in case I don't double thread. And so the distance you're dealing with is like from here to the radiator, a little bit less. So the sensor is about right here. And so if this is nice and straight, you can work it in and then pull this out. Then finally, use that tool to come in. It should feel a lot of tension, and all of a sudden it catches and it's hard, and you're good to go. And a tiny little bit more, then that's it. And then that's how you get your knock sensor in. But you know what? I am going to put a ruler on here so we can remember what this is. So the outer diameter is 3/4, and the inner diameter is like slightly more than 1/2 inch by a little bit. And then once you have this tube, then you can put it in, or else it'll be very difficult. All right, risk her out.